game of drones. We are very excited. The kids have been working hard for months.
This is a computational thinking robotics competition. The students will use aerial-based drones and ground-based drones to traverse a grid. Today that grid is going to be 9 by 9 feet.
We'll be doing at least 8 or 9 missions today. The youth will get the mission, have 10 minutes to execute the mission. We're trying to help them become better problem solvers, better communicators. They work as a team.
We see this as an opportunity to give students the skill of coding and decoding that can be applied in the classroom and in future career pathways.
It's exciting. It really couldn't do this without my team putting the work in. Just shout out to them for day in, day out of them just really preparing for it today.
I feel like I worked really hard for this, especially since last year we got second, and I really wanted to do better this year, and I feel like I improved a lot.